Welcome, parents and supportive relatives. Are you ready to see your child fall in love with reading? I am Miss Aliyah, and I'm here to introduce you to the ultimate online reading program designed to make learning fun and engaging. This is the Youngest Readers Reading Program. Our goal is to teach children to read by systematically teaching them the rules of the English language. This will teach your child to trust the written English language because they know the rules and the exceptions. With a clear understanding of the rules, they will confidently jump into any story, read it, and understand it. The 9 levels of this reading program will take your young reader from beginning reader to a proficient reader. The program is led by Miss Aliyah, a current medical student and lifelong educator. She has been teaching kids to read for more than 10 years. It all started with her teaching her nephew to read when he was only 3 years old. He would proudly go to preschool telling his teachers that his auntie taught him to read. And that is why we are offering the Youngest Readers Reading Program to you. Now you can give your child access to Miss Aliyah's expertise for only $50 per month. YoungestReaders.com offers well-organized reading lessons that come with worksheets and quizzes to test your child's understanding. Right now, Level 1 is ready to go for beginning readers and readers that could use a bit more of a phonics foundation. You can sign them up now at YoungestReaders.com and start learning with Miss Aliyah. Since Miss Aliyah is a medical student, she is continuously working on this project. So over the next few months, all of the levels will be loaded. But the program is rolling out now so that the newest readers can get a head start on Level 1, and they will be ready to move on to Level 2 when it is ready. And if you sign up now, the first 50 families will get a $10 discount. So, for only $40 per month to give your child a lifetime of knowledge. You can sign them up now at YoungestReaders.com and start learning with Miss Aliyah. Ready to join the fun? Sign up today and give your child the gift of reading success. Visit YoungestReaders.com and start your child's journey today.